If you want to transform any dessert from mediocre to magical, add peanut butter.
Taking my sweet time.
And just in time for National Peanut Butter Lovers Month, cozy up to that campfire and get ready to dive in to this peanut butter s'mores skillet. When you dig into the skillet, it's like surprise and delight. Every single layer has something special. We've got that just baked chocolate chip cookie and then a layer of that luscious, nutty, creamy peanut butter with all of the melty delish of the marshmallows and more peanut butter. Oh yeah. Oh, and pro tip, make sure you make yourself a single skillet so you can enjoy all of that nutty, melty, delicious all to yourself. For more recipe inspiration, go to gapeanuts.com.